egg, not from a salad. Well, you can't get in my crib, so, Mommy,
Yeah?
you can't get in my crib.
No, I can't.
No, Kaden and Jacob can't get in my crib, and Zoe and Graham and Zoe can't get in my bed.
No. Don't.
I can't get in my bed.
It's only for sleeping, right?
Only for me.
Yeah.
Daddy.
So, you want to talk back on your phone again?
Yeah.
Well,
And when I got a phone like you.
you do. Are you talking?
Yeah, but it is Bobby. You like Bobby?
She's not bad.
Jake, it is your truck. You take care of it, okay? Mommy shouldn't have to go running after it every time.
Mommy, sit right here.
Well, you talk to your friends.
What?
Talk to your friend on your phone like you were.
Well, sit right here and then I talk to my friend. So. Mommy. No. Mommy. Knock off, Jacob. Mommy.
1 minute.
1 minute.
1 minute. Are you going to talk to your friend?
Yeah.
Okay.
So talk to Jacob. Shh. Jacob need to be quiet. Do you want to talk to Grandpa?
Why don't you talk to Grandpa?
Okay. Mommy, a blue car. I'm
Yeah.
going to talk to Grandpa and Grammy. So, hello, Grandpa and Grammy. Hello. Yes. You can fix that poodle. Can you fix my poodle, please?
What'd they say?
Please.
What'd Grandpa say?
Please.
Yeah, did he say he will?
Yes.
Are you going to say bye to Grandma and Grandpa?